If you're considering a career in the automotive industry, definitely start with Bergstrom. They are the best out there.
Bergstrom Automotive is arguably one of the most phenomenal places you could be fortunate enough to work and have opportunities for advancement.
You can definitely build a career at Bergstrom. You can start anywhere from being a car washer and work your way up.
I think having a strong mentorship program really started at the top and it grew in a downward fashion. We had leaders that said, we need to invest in tomorrow. We need to invest in what's going to be our tomorrow and the day after. And they said, we need to get a hold of young people and we need to grow them. And how can we do that? And we get student technicians and we are able to get them into the dealership and work side by side with them.
And I know Bergstrom offers a tuition reimbursement program, which I think is awesome. The fact that Bergstrom pays for it all, I don't think there's a better place to grow your automotive career.
Tuition reimbursement was pretty straightforward. You had someone walking you through it every step of the way, giving you clearly what was going to happen. Bergstrom will pay for half of your schooling up front. They'll provide you tools too, and then they'll continue paying the other half after you graduate. The thing that I like the most about it is how freeing it can make it feel when you're going through school and then having to work at the same time, because it makes you emotionally there for work instead of trying to figure out how I'm going to pay for school.
Here at Bergstrom, we really want our young technicians to succeed. They are a vital part of the team. Their learning process, how they learn, is extremely important to us. When they come in, we want them to learn the right ways. We want them to move up and grow.
Through that mentorship, I was able to grow as a technician far faster than a lot of people that I went to school with.
Parts that a textbook can't tell you, we can go through and guide a young technician to those answers by showing them what is not just in a textbook.
The culture at Bergstrom Automotive is treat every guest like family, treat our coworkers like family. The camaraderie, the team that is in this company is something that can't be described. You have to, like I said, you have to almost be a part of it to understand it.
Everyone above you in management is there to help you if you need help, and they're going to guide you, and the opportunities are endless.
I love our culture. I think it's fun, it's positive. I think we're all going in the same direction. We all want to be better, striving for excellence.
Bergstrom will let you become what you want to become. If you want to go further, they will allow you to do that, and they will motivate you, pursue you, and assist you in getting to whatever goal you desire.